I had the chance to go visit the Museum Depot in Acton Town in one of their somewhat rare open weekends. It was really unplanned and I didn't know what to expect, but I came out of it really satisfied and I felt like I wanted to share some pictures of it. London Transport Museum is a charity. They already have a pretty big museum in Covent Garden in central London, but this one is located more in West London. It's pretty much a depot. They preserve so many items. They got trains, models, maps, all sorts of interesting things. And again, even if you're not a train head or really into this sort of things, you will find it very interesting and quite enjoyable. It makes for a really nice afternoon or morning with your family, with your kids, with some friends, especially if your friends or parents have been in London a few times already and you don't really know what to show them anymore. This will be great. The next open weekend will be on the 7th and 8th of July 2018, but I'm gonna leave the link to the website below in the description of this video. So head over to their website to see if they have anything planned up ahead, regardless of when you will see this video. And it's very easy to get to. All you have to do is head over to Acton Town, which is on the Piccadilly line and District line, the blue and the green lines. I hope you have enjoyed the pictures and the video, and I will see you guys at the next occasion.